Hi, if you are watching this video, chances are you are working a 9 to 5 job. And somewhere deep inside, you know that depending on one income source is risky. Let me ask you something honestly. If tomorrow you want to switch your job, can you do it freely? Or are you stuck because of a 3-month notice period? And if you resign and don't get another job in those 3 months, what happens then? EMIs don't stop. Expenses don't stop. Responsibilities don't stop. That pressure is real. And this is not about fear. This is about reality. In 1980, a family could survive on a small salary. In 2000, income expectations increased. In 2020, 1 lakh per month became common in cities. By 2040, 10 lakh per month may not feel luxurious. It may feel normal. But ask yourself, will your salary grow 10 times? Or will your expenses grow 10 times? The real problem is not your job. The real problem is having only one income stream. And here is the mistake most professionals make. They start looking for random business ideas. They look at trading. They look at crypto. They look at side hustles that have nothing to do with their skills. But the safest, most intelligent way to build backup income is not by doing something new. It is by monetizing what you already know. You already have experience. You already have domain knowledge. You already have problem-solving ability. What you don't have is structure. And that is where AI changes the game. Today, with the right system, you can define your niche clearly. Position yourself as an authority. Write a book using AI support. Structure a course or workshop. Create landing pages. Build funnels. Generate content. And do it in a fraction of the time it used to take. You don't need to become an influencer. You don't need 1 million followers. You don't need to quit your job. You need a system. That is exactly why I created the AI business engine. Now let me explain something clearly. This is not a random AI tools training. This is a structured execution roadmap for working professionals. Inside AI Business Engine, Growth Edition. Over 2 months, we meet every Saturday morning, just one focused session per week. And in that session, we build step by step. First, we define your niche and your ideal customer. Then we create your authority positioning. Then we structure your offer. Then we design your course or workshop. Then we create your funnel and landing pages using AI. Then we build your visibility system. And yes, we integrate AI video and content creation inside it. You also get book writing support. You get structured prompts. You get recorded masterclasses like Mindset of a Digital Coach. Start your journey as a digital coach and the art of storytelling. You get access to custom AI tools like the Ideal Customer Profiling GPT and the Course Design GPT, so that you are not thinking from scratch. You are using intelligent systems, and at the end of 90 days, you are not confused anymore. You have a defined niche, you have a structured offer, you have a book framework, you have a system ready to launch. Now, some of you are thinking, this sounds good, but what if I need more accountability? That is why we have AI Business Engine, Audit Pro. Audit Pro is not just learning, it is execution partnership. For 6 months, we work together. Saturday sessions build your foundation. Sunday audit sessions review your implementation. We correct, we refine, we optimize. Inside Audit Pro, you also get complete book writing support, audiobook creation guidance, Facebook ads training for scaling, and the full custom GPT suite, Authority Dominator, Offer Architect, 3-day workshop builder, and even a GPT builder to create your own AI systems. This is for serious professionals who don't want to experiment alone. Now let's talk about value honestly. If you purchased each component separately, business training, AI video, book support, ads training, custom GPT systems, you would easily spend over 1 lakh rupees. But that is not how this is structured. Because this is not about selling parts, it is about building your engine. Growth Edition is available at Rs 24,599 or 2 installments of Rs 13,599. Audit Pro, the full execution and scaling track, is Rs 48,111 or 2 installments of Rs 26,599. Now pause. Don't think about the price. Think about the alternative. 3 years from now, will you still be depending on one salary? Will you still be worried about notice periods? Or will you have a book with your name, a course with your framework, a system generating leads, confidence to switch jobs freely. You are not buying a course, you are choosing your level of execution. If you want a structured launch in the next 90 days, choose Growth Edition. If you want launch plus weekly accountability and scaling support, choose Audit Pro. But do not stay stuck in analysis, because the only real risk is doing nothing. If this speaks to you, if you are serious about building a backup income using your own skills, click the button below and choose your track. I will see you inside.